Today on Critters TV, it's the white-tailed eagle. The white-tailed eagle is a large bird of prey, recognizable by its distinctive yellow beak, bright yellow talons, and its white wedge-shaped tail.
Bina, would you look at that? It's like a magical flying badger.
I think he's a bit more graceful than that, Grandad.
The white-tailed eagle is the largest eagle in Europe and the fourth largest eagle in the world. It can grow up to 90 centimeters in length and have a wingspan of 240 centimeters. That's the width of a double-decker bus.
Whoa, that's huge.
Seems a little too wide if you ask me. Sounds like a certain eagle is trying a bit too hard, if you catch my drift.
Gray, are you okay?
Oh, I'm okay, all right. Are you? Ugh.
The white-tailed eagle is a close cousin of the bald eagle and is found mostly in Europe and Asia. It likes to make its home near water, usually in lowland areas and wetlands.
I have a baldy cousin as well.
What? You're cousins with a bald eagle?
No, not a bald eagle. A baldy badger. Walter is his name.
Walter, the baldy badger.
That's the one, although he prefers the term follically challenged.
White-tailed eagles are hunters and usually eat fish, birds, and mammals. They are opportunistic and often steal food from other birds or even otters.
Give a bird a fish, he eats for one day. But teach a bird to fish, and he still steals the fish off the other one. Oh, come on, why do you keep stealing all the fish?
The white-tailed eagle can fly at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. With its excellent eyesight, strong beak, and fearsome talons, this eagle is one of the most feared hunters of the sky.
The Eagles? Aren't they a rock band?
That's a bit of an obscure reference now, Mammy. The Eagles were around about 50 years ago.
Please don't stare at you two. I'm trying to watch telly.
So, is everyone in the band actually an eagle?
No, Mammy. None of the eagles were actually eagles. No more than the Arctic monkeys are actually monkeys, or the fleet foxes are actually foxes.
Snoop Dogg isn't a dog either.
Oh. Has there ever been a band called the Owls?
That's actually got a nice ring to it. Here, guys, why don't we form a band?
Give it a rest, will ya?
I think that's a great idea, Daddy. We'll be bigger than the Eagles.
Will you stop talking about the Eagles?
I'd be the lead singer, the good-looking one who makes funny jokes.
And what about me?
Well, I think you'd be the mysterious one, into poetry, scribbling in notebooks, that kind of thing.
What about me? Do I get to be in the band at all?
Ooh, not really sure about that now. I was kind of thinking of it as a duo thing, you know? Just me and Mammy, like.
He'd make a cute little mascot. Did the Eagles have a mascot?
Don't think so, no. They couldn't afford one.
It's okay. I get it. There's no room for me in the band.
I have it! Tiny, you could play the drums.
Cool! That settles it then. I'll play the drums.
I'll write all the music.
And I'll be the gorgeous lead singer out front that gets all the attention.
Rock and roll. Here we come.
Are we famous yet?
The white-tailed eagle is an expert when it comes to fishing. Although it occasionally plunges right into the water, its preferred method is to glide low over the water, hover briefly, then snatch the fish with its sharp talons.
Ooh, such pointed talons. Yes, it really is very talented. You see what I did there, Plop? The eagle is very talented at fishing, but it also has pointed talons. So I said it was talented. Ooh. I don't get it.